Our investment in the portal and our strategic partnership with IBM is really the framework or the foundation for driving our e-business strategy.
There's been just tremendous value.
We can achieve exactly what we need to, but we don't need to be rocket scientists to do it anymore.
Previously, it took our users about a week to get to different applications and different reports, and now they're able to access this data in less than 5 minutes.
Service-oriented architecture is a thought process which teaches you how to develop applications that are not tightly integrated with each other. These applications have the ability to serve each other on demand, but they also have the ability to connect to different applications as and when needed.
Service-oriented architecture has allowed us to take the different components of the overall portal, be they search, be they content, be they web application functionality, and deliver them not as separate systems but as services to the end users as they want them.
From a business standpoint, it's giving us all kinds of competitive value. Whether it's back-end processing, whether it is delivering from a web presence the functionality that an end customer needs and wants. And being able to deliver both of those areas and deliver them fully and in an efficient and quick manner, it has just been tremendous.
It's like a shopping mall of software applications. You can take your line of business systems, your documents, your colleagues through collaboration technology and put them all in one place, customize that information based on the job role of the person that's looking at it.
At the end of the day, what it provides us with is less development and better practices that we can implement in our organization and reusability of the code.
Initially, it was a tool that we saw as a critical component for how we communicate and collaborate with our customers on an ongoing basis. Now we see it as a huge differentiation from a business development standpoint in getting in the door.
A person now sits down and their whole workflow is really laid out for them. It decreases their training, it speeds and makes them more efficient. It really kind of guides them down through their workflow process, plus everything that they need is right there and available. It's almost as if the world is built specifically for them.
Portlet Factory can provide a lot of value because in the right circumstances, it can cut down and sometimes significantly cut down the development time. So if you need something quick and you need to get it out there and you need to show the value to whoever's asking for that functionality, the Portlet Factory can be of immense value.
You get a high degree of reusability because application components and feature sets are highly compartmentalized. And so, for instance, if I develop a workflow inbox, a portlet, I can reuse that over and over throughout my business. I don't have to build one specific for each application need.
Workplace Forms allows us to create electronic forms. We have chosen to start using them for our field representatives, and it allows us to build business rules and business processes behind these forms, and it just makes the process a lot more efficient.
We're very excited about Portal 6 because it is the next generation, and we see the commitment that IBM has made to the tool in really growing it to the next level with input from key customers from around the different service sectors.
And I just say one of the things that we're most excited about is the inclusion of workflow. I think that's going to provide a lot of value to the end users.
Portal 6 appears to have capabilities that would be very attractive to us. We are currently following the trend towards AJAX programming, and there are some capabilities there that would be very attractive to us.
Innovation is something that differentiates between the leader and the followers. IBM has been very innovative with every release of the portal.
When you get to 6.0, really it just takes a good product and makes it better.
Web content management has been very important, and the web content management improvements, which have been massive in Portal version 6, really helped us be able to go to the business, buy them in, get them creating their own content, editing their own content, and them not having to be trained IT professionals to do that.
If I can enable my sales force via technology and via Portal technology specifically, to spend less time on the back office stuff and more face time with the customer. That's good for my customers.
I think Portal is allowing us to change our value proposition in the way that it allows us to bring all the different applications and information together, and then using personalization, deliver the right sets of those business functionality and information to the right people.
WebSphere Portal and the service-oriented architecture, we are creating a 24/7 model where our goal is to enable student learning and achievement and extending the classroom to our homes.
Perficient's been involved with hundreds of Portal implementations, and because it's a framework, the uses of Portal is endless. We've seen implementations at a smaller school district all the way through multinational organizations, and because Portal is really a framework to allow them to blossom and grow their own various ideas and needs that their particular organization has, it's been really exciting to be part of that.